Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. The solute is naphthalene, a nonpolar, purely hydrocarbon aromatic compound consisting of two fused benzene rings. It has no polar functional groups and cannot participate in hydrogen bonding. Moving on to the next step. Nonpolar solutes dissolve best in nonpolar or weakly polar solvents and poorly in highly polar or protic solvents. Moving on to the next step. Assess each solvent's polarity and ability to dissolve naphthalene. Et2O, diethyl ether weakly polar, dipole moment (1.15 d, nonpolar-ish organic solvent, no OH bond, cannot hydrogen bond with itself strongly. It is the best match for dissolving nonpolar naphthalene. Et2O, ethanol polar protic solvent, dipole moment (1.69 d, has OH, capable of hydrogen bonding. More polar than Et2O but has a nonpolar ethyl group, giving it intermediate ability to dissolve naphthalene. H2O, water highly polar protic solvent, dipole moment (1.85 d, strong hydrogen bonding network. Extremely poor solvent for nonpolar naphthalene. Naphthalene is practically insoluble in water. And for the final step. Rank in decreasing order of dissolving ability for naphthalene. Et2O, best, least polar, Et2O, intermediate, H2O, worst, most polar protic. A. Et2O H2O Et2O, incorrect, places H2O above Et2O, but water is far worse than ethanol for dissolving naphthalene. B. H2O Et2O Et2O, incorrect, reverses the correct order entirely. C. H2O Et2O Et2O, incorrect, places water first, which is the worst solvent for a nonpolar solute. D. Et2O Et2O H2O, correct, follows the like dissolves like principle perfectly. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.